of the M30 is right now, and the winner is. Let's get started. So, I usually don't do these kind of giveaways, but I just started this giveaway, and before that, I tell a big thanks for the 1.1k views on the comparison between Realme Buds and one more earphone, something wireless headphones. I'm really just let's know what can give. I am really afraid, surprised that I got these things. Just a very much thank you for that. And the giveaway winner I want to tell is the I'll tell you, George Rap King. And George Rap King, I don't know who is he. He just commented long back ago, and I just saw the comment as some like this thing. So don't get worried, disappointed, and go on and unsubscribe the channel. Press the dislike button and go off somewhere. Just don't get disappointed. So I'm just doing one more giveaway, that is the Xiaomi Redmi Pro, which is gonna be the announcement on 10th October, and I'm going slowly forward to give you people many more giveaways. So thanks for watching, and I will be doing more giveaways. Don't just go off. So please, one thing, that don't subscribe this channel. Subscribe this channel and share the videos to all of them, so that many can participate and you can be a winner and you can become famous. So the winner is Rap King, George Rap King. Congratulations, George Rap King. I'm gonna chat with him personally, and he'll be getting his M30 by according to his location. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Saving up with the fire.